Look at this photo. Dark, flat, lifeless. Now look at this. Same photo, same Lightroom, one trick. If your portraits still feel off after editing, this is probably what you're missing. There's one specific technique in Lightroom that changes everything. Once you see it, your portraits start to glow. Let me show you. Here's the thing about portrait editing. Most of us go straight for the exposure slider. Maybe pull down the highlights a little, and then wonder why the photo still feels flat. It's because the light has no direction, no focal point. Our eyes tend to gravitate towards things that are bright. But if everything in the frame is the same brightness, the eye doesn't know where to go. That's exactly what the Radial Filter fixes. So go ahead and open your photo in Lightroom, head over to the masking panel right up here, and select Radial Gradient. Draw an oval around your subject, just the subject. Don't stress about making it perfect, we can always dial it in later. First thing, set your feather to around 80. This gives you a soft, natural edge. If the feather is too low, it starts to look obvious really fast, and done wrong, it can look really tacky. Next, make sure that the mask is not inverted, so we're only affecting the inside of the oval. That's your subject, not the background. Now it's time to bring your exposure up. Start at plus 0.50. That's your baseline. You can push it in a little further, but start there and trust your eye. Now here's where it gets good. Watch the difference. Before, after. Before, after. You see how she just pops? The eye goes straight to her. That's exactly what you want. And here's the thing, subtlety is key. A little boost can make your subject pop, but a little too much can feel heavy-handed. If it looks like a flashlight is pointed at their face, you might have gone too far and you might have to dial that back in. I usually land somewhere between 0.50 and 0.65 for portraits. Play around with it. If you want to push it even further, here's one quick supporting move. Go ahead and open the tone curve. We're going to add a very gentle S curve. Lift the midtones just a touch, dragging the middle point up slightly, then anchor the blacks by pulling the bottom left point down just a little. You can see how that adds just a little bit more depth without blowing out the highlights. It's optional, but together with the Radial Filter, your portrait is going to feel completely different from where you started. That's the one technique that changed how my portraits feel. The Radial Filter, your natural spotlight in Lightroom. Go ahead and try it on your next portrait. If this video helped, smash that like button because it really helps small channels like me. Alright, now you have these skills, go ahead and create something beautiful. Pop off, man. I'll see you later.